I hereby call the third annual United Parents and Students Assembly to order. Good morning and thank you all for being here at the Faithful Central Bible Church in Inglewood, California on this important day. My name is Keisha Mitchell.
And my name is Isela Castro. We are pleased this morning to have with us the Mayor of Los Angeles, Eric Garcetti.
Well, thank you so much, Isela, and a very good morning. Muy buenos días a todos. Thank you to everybody for coming, and it is such a great pleasure also to be working with you on the victories we have achieved, like the minimum wage, but also to continue to make sure this election in just a few days matters. This is one of those elections where we either decide, because we are immigrants, because we are women, because we are people of color, because we have disabilities, that we let somebody define us and who we are, or we reclaim what it means to be American. I love Green Dot. I love the work that we did when we met together, some of the parents and this group of parents and students united who asked, I want safe passages to school. I have now gone in the city of Los Angeles and we have taken a picture of every block on every street in every neighborhood, and we have given it a rating. 1 means it's clean, 2 means it's a little dirty, 3 means it's really dirty. And we have made a commitment to, in the next 18 months, getting rid of every 3 streets. And after that, we're going to turn the 2s into 1 so that every street is clean. Get involved in helping us make sure that when our children walk to school, they don't have a sense that this society doesn't care about them before they even get to the class. So that they're safe, they're excited, they're empowered. They are the vision of what Green Dot is all about, bringing the community together. So my commitment is to continue to love and to learn from Green Dot, and to be your mayor, the mayor of Green Dot, to make sure that no matter where you are, we are working together to raise our wages, to make it a more affordable and just city, and to make sure that all of our young people have an opportunity.
It's a pleasure and an honor to be here with all of you today. We can feel the power of Green Dot parents. This assembly is a true expression of what can happen when parents are truly given a voice in their schools, a voice in their communities. The animal spirit is alive and well here today, and your platform of safe and clean streets and affordable housing, as well as your collective push to get as many students and parents registered to vote, are inspiring and can be life-altering for your communities and your children.
We are here today to say no more to lower voter turnout in our neighborhoods and among our young people. We are here today to recognize that our communities will only receive the goods and services we deserve if we demand them ourselves. As Frederick Douglass said, power concedes nothing without a demand. And we are here today to show power. We will organize collectively, multiracially, in solidarity to make our demands heard. We are here today to say, Green Dot votes. Green Dot votes.
Green Dot votes. Green Dot votes. Will the delegation from Animo Pat Brown, Animo Florence Firestone, rise and stay standing? Animo Jefferson, Animo Ralph Bunch, Animo Inglewood, Oscar de la Hoya Animo, Animo Ellen Ochoa, Animo College Prep Academy, Locke High, James B. Taylor, Animo Watts, Animo Mae Jameson, Animo Leadership, Animo Western Phyllis Wheatley, Animo Westside, Animo Jackie Robinson, Animo South LA, Animo Venice, Green Dot Washington, Green Dot Tennessee. Everybody, let's hear it. Since August of 2015, Green Dot United Parents students have registered 2,074 new voters. Voter turnout in the presidential primary election has increased by 4 times since 2012. Green Dot votes. Green Dot votes. Green Dot votes.
This year I registered to vote in my government class. I will vote for the first time on Tuesday because I want to make a difference in my community. Thank you.
I believe it's my obligation, not only as an American student, but as a woman, to go forward with what so many before me fought for.
I am Ken Shea Bell. I go to Elaine Leroy Locke High School. What's up? And when I am of age, I will register to vote. Not just to say I did, not just to show that I can, but because I care about my community and the people in it.
Hello, my name is Adriana Marie Perez, and I registered to vote at the National Registration Day at Anima Watts. I'm excited to vote for the first time on Tuesday. I know my voice matters, and I know that I can make a change.
Voting is important because when you are voting, you're voting for the future. In my future, I would want to see more school fundings, more jobs, women equality, and better education, because we all know knowledge is power.
Regardless of social or economic class, race, religion, gender, sexuality, everyone has a voice that should be heard. Unfortunately, in America's history, this wasn't always true. For a long time, lower class, women, racial, and religious minorities didn't have a voice. After such a long time without a say, if we don't vote, we risk the chance of losing all the progress we worked so hard to make.
I am voting for the first time in 3 days, and I make sure that we choose the elected officials who really care about our community. Thank you.
You have allowed our ASEA members to welcome your children to school and serve them lunch and even ensure their safety. Our ASEA members live next door to you. We send our kids to Green Dot schools, to LA Unified schools, to magnet schools, to charters in other communities, and we are your neighbors.
We can't afford to lose funding, to lose teachers, or have tuition at our colleges continue to rise. Before our schools had this funding, 30,000 teachers across California lost their jobs, arts and music programs disappeared from our schools, classroom sizes grew, and tuition was hiked at our local community colleges. We support Proposition 55 because we can't afford to go back to those days. We know that for our children and our communities to thrive, the world outside of our classroom needs to provide a sense of security and stability for the children and our communities. We are ready to demand and create the change we want to see in our communities. Our power can't be stopped, and AMU is proud to stand in solidarity with you. Adelante, padres.
Voting is not just about the passive act of voting. Voting is about the revolutionary drawing a line in the sand. And so with AMU, with Green Dot, with our workers, with housing advocates, with homeless advocates, with folks who build housing, we have said no more. No longer will projects be built in our communities without we, the community, benefiting from them.
So I'm going to start by just thanking Green Dot again for its commitment and for the work you're doing, uplifting our communities and providing hope and encouraging educational attainment. Your advocacy is crucial to helping to shape the next generation of leaders in Los Angeles, and you are in this room today. So thank you for your commitment. And I'm supportive of partners like Green Dot that work tirelessly to help close the achievement gap of some of the most underserved communities in Los Angeles. I applaud Green Dot for bringing the community together and putting education front and center, because that's where it belongs. My advice to you, continue to stay informed, connected, and take advantage of all the wonderful resources and programs at your fingertips. Those are made possible by the partnership here at Green Dot. So again, I want to thank Green Dot one more time for your work, for your year-round work in helping serve underserved communities. I don't know about you, but I'm extremely excited about your future, and I hope that you have a successful day today, but more importantly, tell your family and friends to do what on Tuesday? Vote, vote, vote. Thank you.
We want to thank you guys for joining us here today. This concludes our meeting, and I want everyone here to know that together, parents and students can shape our communities and create the change that we deserve. Thank you.